How to screenshot WhatsApp view once. Have you ever received a view once message on WhatsApp and wanted to take a screenshot but couldn't? Well, in today's video, we'll show you how to screenshot WhatsApp's view once messages. So let's get started. First things first, the view once feature is there to ensure privacy, so it's important to understand that WhatsApp actively prevents screenshots on these messages. However, there's a few workarounds that might allow you to capture the content. Keep in mind though that it's always the best way to respect privacy and get permissions before taking screenshots. Step 1 is to use your phone screen recording feature. While WhatsApp blocks screenshots for view once messages, screen recording might bypass these restrictions. On iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center and tap on screen recording. Simply you can tap on here. On Android, swipe down to the quick settings menu and tap the screen record option. After you start recording option, simply open your WhatsApp and go to the message that has view once option and simply open it, and the content will be captured during the screen recording and you can save it to your gallery or camera roll. Don't forget to stop the recording once you're done. Now next step is to use another device. You can always use a second device to capture the content. Simply open the view once message on your phone and use another phone to take a picture of the screen. This method is simple but effective. If you really need to save the content, just be sure to get permission if necessary. And that's it. These are the two most efficient ways to try to screenshot or save WhatsApp view once messages.